Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Curly Tosh, and I'm back with another video. And if you're a new subscriber, what's good, what's poppin'? Hi, you can call me T, you can call me Tosh. And yeah, I'm so thankful that you decided to join the family. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin'? You know I rock with you. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm actually just dyeing my hair to this chocolate brown color because I'm so tired of looking in the mirror and seeing like orange hair. I'm literally just dyeing my hair, okay? I'm sloppy with it. I don't really care. I knew it was gonna be a dark color anyways, so I didn't really care about the application. You know, don't come for me, okay? But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. And you know, also because it's 2021 and I like to go into the new year feeling like a new bitch. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to really get back to the roots of me, and the root of me is like my natural hair color. And I need to just really focus on getting my hair back, you know, getting back healthy, if that makes any sense. Not saying that it's damaged or anything, but it definitely needs some, you know, some extra nourishment and stuff. So that's really what I'm going to be focusing on this year is the, you know, just self-care, because we tend to, or at least I tend to, put everybody before me at times, and I don't really take the time for myself, if that makes sense, you know. So yeah, dedicating 2021 to self-care and self-love, you know what I'm saying? So switching up my look is something I love to do. So whenever I dye my hair myself, I typically get 2 boxes, and I split my hair in half, y'all, and I just drench one side with one box and, you know, vice versa. And that's really what works for me. So yeah, if y'all were wondering, it's literally just one box for each side of my head. Oh yeah? Yeah? It's not even making a snowball. Oh yeah? Don't you do it. It's not even it's not even rolling up into anything. I just found it. Be careful. Be careful. You slide. Yeah, over here. Come on. Come on.
Mom?
Yes. Ooh.
Huh?
3, hold on tight. 3, 2, 1, go! Ready?
2. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Call him.
Lambo. Lambo.
Oh, oh. Lambo, come here. Lambo, come here. Lambo. Oh, he's down. Get him off. Get him off. Oh, let's get him off.
Oh my God. Look how pretty. Look, Amaya. Look. Like the snow. Wow, it's a good horsey. It's so pretty. The snow. Shit, it's so So pretty sure I just got a package. Here comes Amaya running. Let me see. Look. I just got an Amazon package, and I got Amaya some Crocs because she needed some new shoes, and I just wanted to get something that would be quick and easy to go, and they're super cute. So she has an all pink pair. So I was thinking, oh my gosh, I remember when I was little, they used to have the little charms that you could put into the little holes of the Crocs. So, whoa, who is that? Who is that? Poppy. Trolls.
What is it?
Look, I'm gonna show you. Look, 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 I'm gonna show you. Look. Look. Okay guys, so I'm actually on my way to go pick up some pizza that I ordered. Today is actually the night of Adrian Broner's boxing fight, and he just happens to be one of my favorite fighters, so ordering the fight tonight, and yeah, picking up some pizza. Got my baby girl in the back, and yeah, so just listening to some music while I go up here. It's like 12 minutes away, so, and they said it'd be ready in 20 minutes, so get there a little early. Okay, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.